The roller tubes for inside the roller shades. See quite a bit of inventory of that. Side tracks, side channels in this area. Back here is where we stack all the fabrics. It'll be cut on a separate fabric area. I'll show you that. Awning components in this area. Through the side arms, or the lateral arms for the awning. Housings. Part of the housings for the roller shades. Those are motors. As you can see, plenty of motors in stock here for your orders. Kind of the inner workings of the exterior shades. You can see the housing, the tube, the gearing. These are the cover plates that go on. This area here with the lights is where the fabric is held up to the light to look for defects before being rolled up for the shades. Side track area being assembled here. And this is the fabric room here where the fabrics are laid out and cut.